Gentlemen, ladies, today we're working on a sword. So I'm a little bit worried about the twist because the handle is twisted onto itself. The idea is to create this linear texture that goes throughout the blade because that's what it is in the video game. So I'm going to be making some dies out of 4140 to be used in my guillotine. It's over here. That's why I'm like this. There it is. It's a guillotine. If you think you're going to like it, just click like now. Like, I would appreciate it. Poke the fire. Stir the wood. Let's get this going. That's enough. Let's go. Let's do it! Because these take so much abuse, they're getting hammered. I'm gonna remove the temper here. I'm gonna heat it up and let this be like soft. But I need to be able to see the colors of the steel. I'm gonna work on the ricasso area. It's got like a bowl shape kind of. So I'm gonna have to press and bring the steel in towards the tang, and I'm hoping that the press makes faster work of it. So I'm gonna do that right now. Let's get her done. That worked far better than I expected. It's looking great. It's about the size of the tang on the ID, interior diameter. So, am I too close? Sorry. gonna have to cut here so it butts up nice and flat. Weld to this guard to this secondary guard, and then weld it from inside the cup. I think that's the plan. So I need to wire wheel it, blacken it, and then paint it. That's going to be end of day stuff because that stuff stinks. And I don't want to see sniffing all those fumes. Or do I? No.